Hey everybody, this is Chay Mcgee with the Shamrock Group and Century 21 Everest. I wanted to follow up today on the blog that I did last week about the coronavirus stimulus check, as today, if you are eligible and you have direct deposit, you more than likely received your funds either yesterday afternoon or today, which is fantastic. Now, if you have been negatively impacted by this pandemic and lost your job or have been furloughed or negatively impacted financially, this can be a great thing to help you stay afloat. On the other hand, there are a whole lot of people that are considered essential that are at risk this entire time trying to help others that have been working, and they have been asking me what I think the best thing that they can do with their check is. And the easy answer is, if you're not hurt by this coronavirus and you're still afloat, I would invest it. Have that money make money for you. Going out and buying $1,200 in, a cheap YZ80 or something is just really not going to do it. It's not going to help you long term. But if you invest it, you can have that money work for you. My best advice would be using it as a down payment for a house. Now, granted, I was a stockbroker for many, many years, and I've talked to people about investing with some stocks down. But there's upside and downside to that depending on where the market's going and the volatility right now. Now, with putting it for a down payment, one of the biggest things that holds first-time home buyers back is having the money for a proper down payment to be able to qualify for a loan. Now, another part of the coronavirus stimulus is that they removed the penalty for right now of taking money out of your IRA or 401k and having that big nasty penalty to taking money out prior to 64 and a half. And that, combined with this stimulus check money, could very well be your full down payment for a house that is essentially an investment that you happen to live in and can make look beautiful and house and protect your family. Based on the numbers of the regular stimulus check being $1,200 for an adult and $500 for a qualifying child, we'll just do the numbers just on one adult person. $1,200 cash toward a down payment, as opposed to a zero down payment plan. In this case, we'll use Utah Housing as the example. For Utah Housing, that money would be charged at 2% over what your rate would be. So at a 4% interest rate on the house itself, which is great. The interest rate on the down payment assistance would be 6%. Now, based on just $1,200 of that, after 30 years of paying interest on that, you have to pay back $2,590.06 of that money. Now, I would just as soon take that money, if you don't need it right this moment, put that toward a down payment. If you have money in your 401k up to 3.5%, I'm not saying take everything out of there, but taking 3.5%. Now, on a $200,000 house, we're talking $7,000 there. And at $7,000, based on those same numbers, we are looking at a total payback on that of $15,108.67. That's a whole lot of money, guys, and you can put that in your pocket and get into a house that makes you money while having your family in there. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I've really enjoyed putting together these videos and blogs for you guys, and I'm happy to help with anything that you need, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.